Hello and welcome guys to Eduception. This video is all about the ICSE 2022 Class 10 Chemistry Board Semester System. In this video, we are going to cover three things, which are first, the semester system syllabus, second, a few tips on how you can prepare for the first semester exam, and third, what type of MCQs can be asked in the first semester exam. So make sure that you watch this video till the end, and if you like it, do hit the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel Eduception. Also press the bell icon to get notified of all our videos. Without further ado, first let's begin with the semester system syllabus. First, we are going to discuss the syllabus of the first semester exam. Guys, the first semester exam will be held in the month of November 2021 and it will be a MCQ based exam. The mode of the examination will be online examination. Let's check out the syllabus now. The first chapter that is in the syllabus for semester 1 chemistry is periodic table, periodic properties and variations of properties. The second chapter is chemical bonding. The third chapter is acids, bases and salts. The fourth chapter is analytical chemistry. The fifth chapter is mole concept, and the sixth and final chapter is electrolysis. So guys, this is the syllabus for the first semester chemistry exam. Now over here I would like to tell you that Eduception has already covered the reduced syllabus for ICSE 2022 chemistry. You have to study according to that syllabus. I'll put a link to that video in the description box below and your top right corner. Make sure to check it out. If you check it out, you will understand the topics that you don't have to study. Now we will move on to the syllabus of the second semester exam. Moving on to the syllabus of the second semester exam. The second semester exam will be held in the months of March and April in 2022 and it will be a normal exam. The mode of exam can either be offline or online depending on the pandemic situation of the country during the months of March and April 2022. Let's check out the syllabus now. The first chapter in syllabus for semester 2 is metallurgy. The second chapter is hydrogen chloride, HCl. The third chapter is ammonia, NH3. The fourth chapter is nitric acid, HNO3. The fifth chapter is sulfuric acid, H2SO4. And the final and last chapter is organic chemistry. So guys, this is the syllabus for the semester 2 chemistry exam. Now we will move on to a few tips using which you can prepare for the first semester exam. Moving on to a few tips using which you can prepare for the first semester chemistry exam. The first point, go through the chapters and write the important details. Chemistry is a detail-oriented subject. That means MCQs can be asked from all the sections of the syllabus. Hence, it is very important that you go through all the chapters properly and write all the important details of those chapters. Write the important details once, twice and thrice. When you write it thrice, the important details will enter your mind and will never leave you. So guys, as chemistry is a very detail-oriented subject, you have to go through the chapters properly and understand all the details. Next, definitions. Knowing all the definitions is very important. Now, most of the definitions will be in the first two chapters and electrolysis. That is periodic table, chemical bonding and electrolysis. So, go through all the definitions that are present in the first semester syllabus and try to learn them properly. Next point, chemical equations. You guys might think that chemical equations won't be asked because this is a MCQ based exam, but that is certainly not the case. MCQs based on chemical equations will definitely be asked. So guys, go through all the chemical equations, write them once, twice, thrice and try to remember them by heart. Along with the equations, you also have to remember all the conditions of the equations. That is catalyst, promoter, temperature, pressure, etc. So go through all the chemical equations and try to remember them by heart. Next point is mole concept numericals. A very small portion of mole concept is left in your syllabus, but still the small portion is important. So solve all the numericals of the small portion that is left in mole concept, because MCQs based on those numericals will surely be asked. We finally come to the last point, which is solve at least the last 10 years board questions. Well, this is important for all the subjects. So if you solve at least the last 10 years board questions, you will understand what type of questions are asked, and you will also get to know all the important details of those chapters. Hence, it is very important that you solve at least the last 10 years board questions. Now guys, we come to an end of the tips on how you can prepare for the first semester exam. We will now move on to what type of MCQs can be asked in the first semester exam. Moving on to a few type of MCQs that can be asked in the first semester exam. First, direct MCQs. Guys, direct and straightforward MCQs will be present in the question paper. Let me give you an example. Say an element A belonging to period 3 and group 2 will have, and you have 4 options. Out of these 4 options, you will have to select the correct answer. Next, MCQs based on chemical equations. Guys, the council will find many ways to frame MCQs based on chemical equations. Hence, it is very important that you prepare all the chemical equations properly along with their proper conditions. Let me give you an example. Say, choose the correct products for the chemical equation NH4Cl plus NaOH given heat dash plus dash plus dash, and 4 options are given. Out of these 4 options, you will have to select the correct answer. Next, MCQs on mole concept. Guys, I have already told you that only a small portion of mole concept is present in your syllabus. Still, that small portion is very important, and MCQs will surely be asked from that portion. So it is very important that you solve all the numericals of that small portion of mole concept. Now guys, with the end of this, we come to an end of this video, and I hope that you have liked this video. As always, new videos on EduCeption are coming very soon, so stay tuned. Until then, this is Rishi on behalf of EduCeption signing off, and guys, take care.